Want to get paid for writing from anywhere in the world? These are the best online writing jobs you can start right now. No experience needed. Follow the link in the description to get started today. Freelance article writer. Write blogs and website content. Get paid per project. Copywriter. Craft persuasive content for ads, emails, and landing pages. Technical writer. Create manuals, product guides, and software documentation. Ghostwriter. Write books or blogs for others and earn anonymously. Scriptwriter. Write scripts for YouTube videos, TikToks, and podcasts. Resume writer. Help professionals land jobs with winning resumes. Social media writer. Write posts and captions for influencers and brands. These jobs are real. People are making thousands every month just by writing online. Click the link in the description to explore available jobs and start earning. Like this video, comment which job you'll try, and subscribe for weekly online income tips. Follow the link in the description to get started today.